In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add availability planner on booking.com. If you manage a property on booking.com, keeping your calendar open far enough into the future is key to capturing demand. The availability planner is a built-in tool that automatically extends your open dates so guests can continue to book without you having to manually open each day. Think of it as a rolling window that keeps availability moving forward, while your pricing and restrictions stay exactly as you've set them. Start by logging into your booking.com partner extranet. Using a desktop browser makes navigation a bit smoother, and be sure you're signed into the property you want to manage. Once you're in, go to the top navigation and select Rates and Availability. From there, choose Availability Planner. You'll find it under the Main Calendar Tools section. Now it's time to set up the planner. First, decide how far in advance guests should be able to book. This is your booking horizon, and it can match your business needs, perhaps 6 months out, a year, or more, depending on your market. Next, choose how many days or months the system should automatically open as time moves forward. This creates that continuous rolling calendar without the need for daily maintenance. Finally, choose where to apply the settings. To all rooms, or only specific room types or units. If you're just getting started, you might apply it to all rooms for consistency, then fine-tune later as you learn your ideal horizon. When your settings look right, click Enable or Activate Availability Planner and save your changes. You should see a confirmation on screen. From this point on, the tool works quietly in the background. It automatically opens future dates as they approach, helps prevent accidental gaps where your calendar might otherwise show as closed, and reduces the time you spend on manual updates. The result is more consistent visibility in search results because your property remains bookable further into the future. A few important notes before you wrap up. You can pause or turn the planner off at any time if your plans change. The tool does not change your prices, only your availability, so your existing rate plans and restrictions continue to apply. It also works alongside your main calendar, so you can still block dates when needed. Be sure to review special periods like holidays, events, or maintenance blocks and adjust manually when necessary. That's it. With the availability planner enabled, you maintain a healthy booking window and protect your visibility while keeping full control over rates and exceptions.